The next topic is uses of concave mirror. Basically, it is a 2 marks question for the board examination point of view, that concave mirror, what are the uses of concave mirror. So basically these are for the read purposes, that concave mirrors are commonly used in torches, searchlights and vehicle headlights to get powerful parallel beam of light, because concave mirrors provide parallel beam of light. Secondly, they are often used as shaving mirror to see a larger image of the face. When you for the shaving purpose, for when you have to shave your beard, then you use a mirror to see a larger image of the face, and the mirror is concave. And concave mirrors are often used by the dentist to see the large image of the teeth of the patient. When you visit your dentist and the dentist uses a mirror to see the inner portion of your teeth, where the problem is exactly, just you can say that for seeing the cavity or whatever, then they uses the concave mirror. And this is the most important point: large concave mirrors are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnaces. This is the important point: concave mirrors are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnaces. These are the 4 common uses of the concave mirror. And for the convex mirror, if you'll have to find out uses of convex mirror, so convex mirrors are commonly used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. And students, for the examination point of view, this is a very important question. This is a very good question which is mostly asked in your boards, pre-boards or class examinations also. So I'm telling you the reason that why the question comes, like why convex mirrors are commonly used as rear view mirror in vehicles. As I've said, this is an important question. So why we prefer a convex mirror? Because convex mirror gives an erect and diminished image. The thing is that it provides a diminished and erect image. That means if the object is larger and it is behind your eyes, it is behind your vehicle, the smaller image of that object can be seen in convex mirror only. It is only possible with the convex mirror that you can see the erect image, because this is the important point. You can see the erect image and the diminished image of that object. That's why convex mirrors are preferred over there. And also they provide a wider field of view as they are curved outwards. You have seen the structure for the convex mirror, that they are curved outwards. So if they are curved outwards, they provide a wider field of view to viewer. And that's why I have written the answer: convex mirrors are fitted on the side of vehicle, enabling the driver to see traffic behind him or her. To facilitate safe driving, convex mirrors are preferred because they always give an erect. This is the keynote of the term. You can underline this term only, because they always give an erect though diminished image, and they also provide a wider field of view as they are curved outwards. These are the common uses of the concave and convex mirror.